Yeah, and my dogs are barking because they always bark. Hey, be quiet. You can't have it. No. I found this screensaver on the internet and downloaded it. I thought it was cute. It's a dachshund licking the computer screen from the inside. And he's licking, 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 licking. And he never gets tired of licking. He just licks and licks and licks. And it's so cute, like the little puppy lick, 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 lick. He's lick, lick, licking, licking, licking. Ha, ha, ha. Baby dog, what do you think about the doggy that's licking the screen, huh? Huh? What's that doggy doing?